Why choose a video marketing agency versus an ad agency? It can be confusing when looking for a company to help you make business marketing videos because of the variety of choices available when it comes to video production. In this video, I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of hiring a video marketing agency versus hiring an ad agency to make your business marketing videos. As I said at the beginning of the video, there are so many different choices nowadays when it comes to making videos for your business. Do you hire a videographer? Do you hire a video production company? Do you just whip out your iPhone and make the video yourself? Do you hire your neighbor's nephew who just finished film school? For more information about those other types of video production options, check out this video that I made about whether to DIY your videos or hire a video marketing agency. And as a bit of a disclaimer, I'm obviously slightly biased towards video marketing simply because that's what I do and that's what I know best. But I'm going to try to be as objective as I can in my explanation of why you might choose a video marketing agency versus an ad agency. Okay, so let's start with my definition of each. An ad agency is typically involved in promoting your brand or perhaps a product or service by creating different forms of advertising. The different forms of advertising can include print ads, TV commercials, billboards, etc. And with pretty much everything being online nowadays, advertising agencies are also creating digital ads along with social media posts and video content. Success of ad campaigns might be measured in traffic to your website, an increase in sales while an ad campaign is running, or maybe more people searching for your brand online. But what about a video marketing agency? Well, the obvious difference is that a video marketing agency produces videos. The other difference is that a video marketing agency focuses on your business goals and how we can use videos to help you achieve those goals. This can include ads, social media content, and videos for your website or landing page. This means we are looking at the return on investment you will get when we talk to you about videos for your business. So as far as how a video marketing agency measures success, it's pretty much the same as an ad agency. The reason is because success is based on whatever business goals you had in mind. So why not choose an ad agency over a video marketing agency? That is a great question. The answer is that if you need all that an ad agency has to offer, then by all means, go with an ad agency. But what if you're trying to build your brand online and establish authority for you and your business? Then you can't beat the straightforward approach of using videos and a video marketing agency. Also, keep in mind that an ad agency will likely be outsourcing or partnering with a video production company or a videographer to create your videos. They might even partner with a video marketing agency to help you make the videos. A video marketing agency would also be the right choice if you're trying to generate leads to your website or landing page, if you're trying to convert those leads that are coming to your website or landing page, or if you need content for your website, such as FAQ videos or testimonials to help you convert those visitors, to help them make a buying decision. In other words, if you're trying to make a sale from directly promoting a product or service or from the building of your brand, then a video marketing agency can help you achieve that goal. So I hope this gives you a good overview of the differences between a video marketing agency and an ad agency. There is definitely a better choice depending on what you're trying to do with your business. So it's a good idea to consider the points that I've made in this video and think about which of the service providers would be the best fit for your business goals. If you're looking for more information about how to get started with video marketing for your business, check out the video over here. And if you have any questions about video marketing for your business and how videos could help you achieve your business goals, get in touch with me for a free consultation. Thanks, and see you in the next video.